Hi everyone, welcome to Arpita Sharma classes and welcome to the daily Hindu News Analysis lecture series for 21st August 2020 by me Arpita Sharma. आप सभी का स्वागत है अर्पिता शर्मा क्लासेस में. For the civil services examination we are conducting these daily the Hindu News Analysis classes on my YouTube channel, and also the class notes and the class resources are uploaded on my Telegram channel Simplifying UPSC with Ease. You can find the link to that Telegram channel in the description box below this video. वीडियो के नीचे जो description box है वहाँ आपको आपका जो टेलीग्राम चैनल का लिंक है वो इजीली मिल जाएगा. आप वहां से टेलीग्राम चैनल को ज्वाइन कर सकते हो क्लास नोट्स के लिए और क्लास पीडीएफ्स एंड रिसोर्सेज के लिए. Right, let's start decoding the newspaper for today, and also we are going to decode some most important editorials as well. हम कुछ बहुत ही important editorials भी decode करने जाएंगे आज क्लास में, and also we are going to solve some most important questions. हम कुछ बहुत ही important questions भी solve करने वाले हैं आज की क्लास में. Right, so चलो let's start the session शुरू करते हैं without any delay. Here you can see, if you want to subscribe to Unacademy Plus, you can use code Sharma20 to get 10% discount. अगर आप Unacademy Plus पर सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना चाहते हो तो आप Sharma20 कोड यूज कर सकते हो 10% डिस्काउंट के लिए. Right? You can use this code Sharma20 to get 10% discount as well on Unacademy Plus. चलो, this is the screenshot of the classes which are taken on Unacademy Plus. So let's start with question number 1, then we'll analyze the newspaper. But 2 questions we are going to solve. Question number 1, consider the following statements regarding Raja Ram Mohan Roy and Brahmo Samaj. Raja Ram Mohan Roy, founder of Brahmo Samaj, was called the father of Indian Renaissance. Ram Mohan Roy translated into Bengali the Vedas and the 5 Upanishads. Brahmo Samaj aimed to purify Hinduism, preach monotheism and establish a new religion. So which of these following statements are correct? You have 2 minutes time to answer this question. इस question को आंसर करने का आपके पास 2 मिनट का टाइम है. फटाफट से इस question को आंसर कीजिए. Answer this question. जल्दी से आंसर कीजिए question को. Very easy question from modern Indian history. So the correct answer to this question is, इस question का correct answer है, it is B. B is the correct answer to this question. That is statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. दोनों ही statements correct हैं. Third statement is incorrect. The Brahmo Samaj aimed to purify Hinduism, preach monotheism, establish a new religion. Right? This is wrong. ये आपका गलत है. Right? तो इसके अंदर ये जो न्यू रिलीजन वाली लाइन है ना, ये गलत है. दिस लाइन इज रॉन्ग. ओके, यस, ब्रह्मो समाज एम्ड टू प्योरीफाई हिंदुइज्म, राइट, बट टू स्टैब्लिश अ न्यू रिलीजन, दिस लाइन इज एब्सोल्युटली इनकरेक्ट. देयर वाज नो एम ऑफ राम मोहन रॉय टू स्टैब्लिश अ न्यू रिलीजन. ओके. Question number 2, according to the terms of subsidiary alliance, Indian rulers were not allowed to have their independent armed forces supposed to protect the British representatives in the princely states. Which statement is incorrect? गलत statement कौन सा है इसमें से? कौन सा statement incorrect है? Which statement is incorrect? Correct answer to this question is, इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट आंसर है, इट इज बी. दैट इज ओनली स्टेटमेंट 2 इज इनकरेक्ट. ये इनकरेक्ट है, दिस इज करेक्ट. सपोज टू प्रोटेक्ट द ब्रिटिश रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स इन प्रिंसली स्टेट्स, राइट, दिस स्टेटमेंट इज इनकरेक्ट. ओके. अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस अलायंस, सब्सिडियरी अलायंस के मुताबिक ना, the Indian rulers were not allowed to have their independent armed forces. They were protected by the Britishers. So here, according to this alliance, the Indian rulers were not supposed to protect the British representatives. The British ब्रिटिशर्स वर प्रोटेक्टिंग दी इंडियन रूलर्स, ये इंडियन रूलर्स को प्रोटेक्ट कर रहे थे, राइट, ऑन द कंडीशन ऑफ द सब्सिडरी फोर्सेस, राइट, दे हैड टू पे फॉर द सब्सिडरी फोर्सेस दैट द कंपनी वाज सपोज्ड टू मेंटेन, राइट, एंड द कंडीशन वाज इंडियन रूलर्स हैव टू पे टू द ब्रिटिशर्स एंड द ब्रिटिशर्स विल प्रोटेक्ट द इंडियन रूलर्स, राइट. So second statement is incorrect. Now let's start decoding the newspaper. The first editorial that we are going to decode is, ये जो editorial हम decode करने जा रहे हैं, this is very very important, right? ये काफी important editorial है. So over here you can see that the marriage age misconception, this is the editorial. ये आपका editorial है, marriage age misconception. The Indian Prime Minister has stated in his Independence Day speech that government may take a relook at the age of marriage of women. तो हमारे इंडियन प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने ही अनाउंस्ड ऑन द इंडिपेंडेंस डे स्पीच दैट गवर्नमेंट इज गोइंग टू टेक अ रीलुक एट द एज ऑफ मैरिज ऑफ वुमेन. लेट अस हैव अ बैकग्राउंड. Budget speech of 2020 proposed the setting up of a task force to look into the issue of age of girl entering motherhood to help lower maternal mortality rates and malnutrition levels. And in June 2020, government announced 10-member panel for this purpose as well, right? The committee has missed its July 31st deadline to finalize the report and to give the recommendations. तो बजट 2020 की स्पीच में ये प्रपोज किया गया था कि जो गर्ल एज है, द एज ऑफ द गर्ल एंटरिंग मदरहुड, दैट वाज टू बी रीलुक्ड, राइट. एंड ऑन दैट गवर्नमेंट ऑल्सो अनाउंस दैट हम 10 मेंबर का पैनल बनाएंगे टू डिस्कस दिस. And the deadline was to submit the report of this panel. The deadline was 31st, July 31st, which has been missed. And the committee has not submitted its task force. Committee ने अपनी task report को submit नहीं किया है अभी, right? Now here, over here, you can see that when the girl is married, currently what is happening? Currently होता क्या है? When the girl is married too early and has a child before the age of 20 years, मतलब बहुत जल्दी शादी हो जाती है और 20 साल से पहले ही इनका बेबी हो जाता है किसी भी लड़की का. Available evidence highlights that there is a detrimental effect on the health and growth of the baby and the health of the mother if she is married very early and she has a child before the age of 20 years. अगर 20 साल से पहले बच्चा हो जाता है किसी लड़की के, तो उससे क्या होगा, उसकी इफेक्ट पर, उसकी हेल्थ पर, उसकी बेबी के हेल्थ पर काफी नेगेटिव इफेक्ट पड़ता है. And scientific studies have shown that children born to adolescent mothers means girls ranging from the, in the age group of 10 to 19 years, they were more likely to be stunted. Stunted का मतलब क्या होता है? This is important for prelims, ठीक है, means shorter for their age. एज जो होती है उसके हिसाब से हाइट कम होती है, राइट. हाइट इज लेस in comparison with the age that is being stunted. So they were more likely to be stunted than those born to young adults like 20 to 24 years and adult mothers. Children born to adolescent mothers also had higher prevalence of low weight as compared to the adult mothers. Given the relation between the age of girl entering motherhood and age of girl at marriage, government has indicated its willingness to take strong decisions about age of marriage of girls. Increasing the age of marriage, age at first birth, can be a promising approach to improve maternal and child nutrition also, right? Now, what are the counter agreements which have been given? The National Coalition Advocating for Adolescent Concerns has asserted that increasing the legal age of marriage for girls will only expand the number of married persons deemed underage and criminalize them, may render underage married girls without legal protection. Right? So if you give a age limit कि इसी age limit पे आप शादी कर सकते हो और इसी एज लिमिट पे आप मदर बन सकते हो, तो जो लड़कियां जिनकी इस एज लिमिट से पहले मदरहुड में आ गई हैं उनके लिए नाइंसाफी होगी, बिकॉज वो इलीगल हो जाएगी, उनकी शादी इलीगल हो जाएगी, क्रिमिनल एस्पेक्ट से देखा जाएगा और उनका मदरहुड भी इलीगल हो जाएगा, राइट. सो विदाउट गिविंग देम लीगल प्रोटेक्शन दे विल बी रेंडर्ड हेल्पलेस, राइट. There are also arguments that the Prohibition of Child Marriage Act 2006, instead of curbing the child marriages, has only paved as a weapon in the hands of parents to punish their daughters for elopement and is used in conjunction with other laws to punish the boys in self-arranged marriages. Underline the self-arranged marriages, right? So the reasons for early marriage vary across the country. Now here the reason for early marriage, it changes across the country, it varies across the country. Issue of poor nutritional status in teenage mothers, it is also due to the poverty and lack of safety driving early marriage in girls as well, right? And some have argued that lack of proper education, obviously we all know that the major factor of this, of these kind of issues in our country is lack of proper education, not only to the girl child but also to the parents. Poor economic status among the teenage mothers, it is also the reason for their poor nutritional outcomes, and also underage marriages and underage motherhood. So what is the way forward to this situation? What is the solution to this problem? Solution is, first we have to focus on empowerment. When the girl child or the parents are empowered, then only they can understand the efforts which are being taken by the government and the NGOs, right? जितने भी NGOs हैं, government है, जो steps ले रही हैं, वो तब तक लोग नहीं समझ पाएंगे जब तक वो empowered नहीं होंगे. And creating a good educational background in the family, this is also one of the solutions to these issues. Creating enabling opportunities for the economic independence of the girls, right? Increasing the health access, education access of the girl child, that is also one of the solution for these issues. Now let's answer this question. Question number 3. Which of the following were the causative factors behind the Indigo or Blue Rebellion in 1859? The peasants were compelled to plant indigo rather than the food crops. Peasants were provided loans called dadon for indigo planting, which was at very high interest rate. Acquisition of farmland by the British for their industrial projects. Which statement is correct? कौन सा statement correct है? जल्दी से बताएं. Correct answer to this question is, it is A. Statement 1 and 2 are correct. Statement number 3 is wrong. Acquisition of farmland by the British for their industrial projects. No, this is not the reason behind the Indigo or Blue Rebellion, right? You all know that Indigo Revolution or Indigo Rebellion is also known as नील विद्रोह. इसको हम नील विद्रोह भी बोलते हैं. ठीक है? Question number 4. Consider the following statements regarding Bakasht lands in British India. Bakasht lands were those which the tenants lost to zamindars, mostly during the depression years by virtue of non-payment of rent. A legislative exercise was undertaken by Congress ministries for reduction of rent and restoration of Bakasht land. Which statement is correct? कौन सा statement correct है? You have 2 minutes time to answer this question. 2 मिनट का टाइम है क्वेश्चन आंसर करने का. जल्दी से आंसर करें. The correct answer to this question is C. That is, all of the above statements are correct. दोनों ही statements correct हैं. Bakasht lands issue became a major ground for contention between Bihar Provincial Kisan Sabha and Congress Ministry. Now here the Bakasht lands are those which the occupancy tenants had lost to the zamindars, mostly because of the depression year in the 1930s, because they could not pay the rent, right? That is why they lost the ownership of these lands. Now the next important news, Sputnik V will be made available to Indians. Now this has been covered in detail on 20th August 2020, the Hindu news analysis done by us on this channel. Russia has recently announced the world's first vaccine to combat COVID-19 named Sputnik V. The vaccine is based on the principle of using adenoviral vectors. So we have discussed in this session, हमने 20th August 2020 के Hindu news analysis session में adenoviral vectors को भी अच्छे से पढ़ा था. So you can go through that lecture, right? Next important news, again we have covered this topic in the Hindu news analysis on 20th August 2020. India-Bangladesh to monitor projects. India and Bangladesh are going to set up high-level monitoring mechanism to regularly review and monitor the ongoing bilateral projects between both of them. For example, the Rampal Maitri Power Plant, India-Bangladesh Friendship Pipeline, rail links between Akhora-Agartala, Chilhati-Haldibari and Khulna-Mongla rail line. Right, so you can visit this lecture series on 20th August 2020 for the in-depth analysis. Private firms employ more women in R&D, research and development. Science and Technology Indicators report has been released. The STI report is a periodic compilation of state of scientific research in India. Underline this. It's very important for your upcoming prelims exam. It is prepared by division of the Department of Science and Technology, National Science and Technology Management Information System, right? And it says that almost 60% of total scientists in R&D domain in India are employed by government institutions or in the higher education sector. तो basically जो total 60% of total scientists है ना वो R&D domain में employed हैं. And the male scientists account for higher proportion as compared to the female scientists. The ratio is 1:6 or 1:4. This is the ratio of women to men scientist. अगर एक women scientist है R&D में तो 6 male होंगे. So there is low women representation. Okay, so the data from this STI report notes that India's private sector research companies, they employ large proportion of women in the core research and development activities, and the government should also follow this same approach, right? Government को भी यही approach follow करना चाहिए, right? Now moving forward, the next important news is Indore wins cleanest city title again. Again, very important for the upcoming prelims. For the 4th year in a row, Indore has been ranked cleanest city in the country, according to Swachh Sarvekshan 2020 report, which has been released by the Union Housing and Urban Affairs Ministry. Very, very important. बहुत important है. Who launches the Swachh Sarvekshan 2020 report? It is the Union Housing and Urban Affairs Ministry. Okay. So results of Swachh Sarvekshan 2020, it was announced by Prime Minister. Total 129 awards दिए जाते हैं, and the program which is conducted is known as Swachh Mahotsav. Swachh Sarvekshan 2020, it's world's largest cleanliness survey. It ranks total 4,242 cities, 62 cantonment boards and 92 Ganga towns, right? And it is organized by Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. This is very important for prelims. Next important news, slowdown to extend as virus goes rural. So as per the estimates based on Reuters poll, India's economy is likely to have contracted 20% over the first quarter. And the Indian economy is forecasted to shrink 5.1% in the current fiscal year ending March 2021. This is the weakest growth rate in Indian economy since 1979. Right? The administration is saying that higher fertilizer demand and sowing of monsoon crops, it is the sign of increased rural activity. Right? Agricultural sector में देखें तो थोड़ा सा उम्मीद है revive होने का, growth rate can revive. Expectations are there when we look at the agricultural sector. Whereas in rural areas, India has the 3rd highest global number of virus infections, and new cases are increasingly emerging outside major cities in rural areas. And there are challenges in rural areas as well. Challenges of surplus labor in rural areas, right? The work is limited, but laborers are surplus because of the migration which happened during the COVID pandemic, right? Lockdown. Now the next important news, monetary arsenal must be kept dry for use, says Das. So this is the review of monetary policy by the Monetary Policy Committee. There have been a cumulative 250 basis point reduction in the policy rate since Feb 2019. To support the economic recovery of India, PPS में थोड़ा सा decrease किया गया है, and the MPC has opted for status quo and left interest rates unchanged in the current review that we have studied. इसको भी हमने cover किया हुआ है on 11th August 2020 in detail. This topic has been covered, right? MPC committee के recommendations and suggestions को हमने cover किया है बहुत अच्छे से in the Hindu News analysis of 11th August 2020. Now coming towards the last question for today, the Mountbatten plan culminated in Royal Indian Naval Mutiny, August offer extended by Clement Attlee, Wavell Plan of Partition of India, Indian Independence Act 1947. Which statement is correct? कौन सा statement absolutely correct है? Correct answer to this question is, it is D, Indian Independence Act 1947. Clement Attlee, Prime Minister of UK, announced in Feb 1947 that British government would grant full self-government to British India by June 1948. Future of princely states would be decided after the date of final transfer is decided. And Act was formulated by UK Prime Minister Clement Attlee. Governor General of India Lord Mountbatten, and representatives of Indian National Congress and Muslim League and the Sikh community. Right? तो ये 3rd जून को ये प्लान स्टार्ट हुआ था, which was the Mountbatten plan. So this was all for today. I hope you enjoyed today's session. Also, there is a small announcement for all of you. So I am conducting free lectures on Unacademy Plus tomorrow, that is on 22nd August 2020. I am taking free live classes, special classes on Unacademy Plus covering the most important topics from modern Indian history for the upcoming prelims examination. आने वाले आपके prelims examination के लिए modern Indian history में spectrum की book में जितने भी important topics हैं वो सारे हम इन स्पेशल फ्री क्लासेस में कवर करेंगे अनअकैडमी प्लस में, एंड यू विल गेट द पीडीएफ आल्सो इन माइंड मैप एंड फ्लो चार्ट फॉर्मेट. वी आर गोइंग टू कवर ऑल द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स फ्रॉम मॉडर्न इंडियन हिस्ट्री इन द रिविजनरी फॉर्मेट फॉर द अपकमिंग प्रीलिम्स एग्जामिनेशन. द लिंक इज गिवन बिलो इन दी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. 4 क्लासेस आई एम गोइंग टू टेक टुमारो. कल मैं 4 फ्री क्लासेस लेने वाली हूँ अनअकैडमी प्लस पे कवरिंग मॉडर्न इंडियन हिस्ट्री. यू कैन also revise your modern Indian history through my classes through flowchart and mind map format. 1 hour each की क्लास होगी, यानी कि 4 घंटे हम मॉडर्न इंडियन हिस्ट्री कवर करेंगे, नॉट कॉन्टिन्यूसली. फर्स्ट इन द मॉर्निंग 8 to 9 AM in the morning, then 2 to 3 I guess in the afternoon, then 6:30 to 7:30 I guess in the evening, and then 9 to 10 at night. So there will be 4 classes which I am going to take. The link is given below in the description box. You can enroll yourself in the classes. It's going to start from tomorrow, that is इन द मॉर्निंग 8 to 9 AM. फ्री क्लासेस हैं ये, ठीक है. इसके लिए आपको पे नहीं करना, यू कैन जस्ट इनरोल, राइट. सो इट्स अ प्रीलिम्स रिवीजन कार्निवल special class festival that is going to be conducted on 22nd August 2020 on Unacademy Plus. Thank you and have a nice day.